Good morning, beautiful soul. Welcome to a brand new day, a new beginning wrapped in peace, filled with possibilities, and waiting for you to step into it with grace. This is your sacred moment, your chance to pause, to breathe deeply, to smile softly, and to reconnect with the calm within you. Before the world rushes in with its noise and demands, give yourself this gentle gift. A moment of stillness, a whisper of hope, a space just for your soul. Maybe yesterday felt heavy. Maybe your heart is still holding on to some quiet pain, unanswered questions, or silent prayers. Maybe the night felt long and your spirit feels tired. But now, here you are, standing at the doorway of a new morning. And this day, this exact moment, is a fresh page. A gentle reminder from the universe that no matter how dark the night was, the sun always rises. And so do you. You are not alone in this journey. The universe is always moving things in your favor, even when you can't yet see the full picture. Right now, as these words flow around you, something deep within you is aligning with peace, with courage, with clarity. It may feel subtle, quiet even, but it's real. You are grounding yourself. You are coming home to yourself. This morning we begin with a prayer, not a loud declaration, but a soft conversation, a sacred connection between your heart and the divine, a whisper of gratitude for waking up today, a call for wisdom to guide you, a gentle request for protection, for strength, for love, and for joy to follow you through the hours ahead. Remember, you don't need to be perfect today. You don't need to have everything figured out. All you need is to be present, to be open, to take one conscious breath at a time. Life will meet you there. The rest will unfold naturally. So take a seat if you can, or lie down peacefully, or stand by your window where the soft morning light touches your face like a quiet blessing. Let the sound of these words be your morning companion. Let the stillness wrap around you like a soft blanket. Let this be your sacred beginning. Now, with a peaceful heart and an open soul, let us begin. With a prayer from the heart. Dear God, as this new day unfolds, I come before you with a heart full of gratitude. Thank you for the precious gift of life, for the air I breathe, and for another chance to walk in your light. Today, I surrender all my worries, fears, and doubts to you. I invite peace into my heart and strength into my soul. Please guide my steps, shape my thoughts, and hold my hand through the day. Let every moment I live today be aligned with love, kindness, and clarity. Lord, help me to be present. In this fast-moving world, I often lose myself in distractions and stress. But this morning, I choose stillness. I choose to connect with you, with my purpose, and with the beautiful world around me. Help me recognize the small blessings, like the warmth of the sun, the sound of birds, the smile of a loved one. Let me not take anything for granted. Help me stay aware, alive, and in tune with my spirit. Please give me the courage to face what lies ahead. Whether it's challenges, responsibilities, or unexpected turns, remind me that I am not alone. You are walking beside me, whispering, "You can do this." In moments of doubt, help me remember my inner strength. In moments of fear, help me remember your promise. And in moments of success, remind me to be humble and grateful. God, bless my mind today. Let it be focused, calm, and clear. Remove the negative thoughts that drain me and replace them with thoughts of hope, love, and confidence. Help me to speak with kindness, to listen with patience, and to act with integrity. Let me be a light to others, a source of peace to those around me, and a reflection of your goodness in the world. I ask for protection, for myself, for my family, for those I love, and even for those I may never meet. Watch over us today. Shield us from harm, from anger, from loss, and from anything that could disturb our peace. Surround us with your love like a blanket. Help us to move through the day with grace, no matter what comes our way. Help me to forgive, Lord. Let me release old wounds, past pain, and any grudges that weigh heavy on my heart. Help me to let go and rise above. Teach me that forgiveness is not weakness, it is freedom. I choose to walk light today, not carrying the burden of anger or blame. This morning, I also pray for those who are struggling, those who are hurting, lost, or broken. May your healing hand touch them. May their hearts be comforted. May they feel seen, heard, and loved. Use me, Lord, if I can be a blessing in someone else's life today. And finally, thank you for this breath, this moment, this fresh beginning. I trust you. I trust the journey. I trust that today is full of miracles waiting to happen. Help me to notice them, to receive them, and to be a part of them. I am ready. I am open. I am grateful. Amen. Today, I wake up with purpose and peace in my heart. I am grateful for this new beginning. I trust that everything happening today is for my highest good. I welcome this day with love, clarity, and a sense of calm. I am not in a hurry. I am exactly where I need to be. Every breath I take is a reminder that I am alive, I am strong, and I am full of potential. I am worthy of love, respect, and happiness. I do not need to be perfect to be valuable. I honor who I am and who I am becoming. My past has shaped me, but it does not define me. I have learned, I have grown, and I am still rising. Each mistake taught me something important, and every success made me stronger. I forgive myself for yesterday. Today I begin again, with kindness toward myself. I believe in my abilities. I have the power to create the life I dream of. Even if the road is slow, I am still moving forward. I choose to focus on progress, not perfection. I choose to show up for myself. I choose to try again, even when it's hard. My determination is greater than my doubt. My heart is stronger than my fear. Today, I will speak gently to myself. I will encourage my mind instead of criticizing it. I release all thoughts that make me feel small. I invite in love, compassion, and truth. My words have power, and today I will use them to lift myself and others. I am mindful of what I consume, thoughts, conversations, energies. I choose positivity, even in difficulty. I am safe. I am protected. I trust the timing of my life. What's meant for me will come to me. I let go of what I cannot control. I let go of the pressure to have everything figured out. I don't have to know all the answers. I just have to take the next right step. I am patient with myself. I honor my own pace. I radiate calmness and grace. Even in the midst of chaos, I remain centered. I am the calm in the storm. I attract peace because I choose peace. I protect my energy. I don't allow the negativity of others to shake my spirit. I rise above. I breathe deeply. I stay grounded in faith. Today, I choose joy. I choose laughter, even in the little moments. I choose to see the beauty in small things, the way the sunlight touches the trees, the sound of birds in the morning, the warmth of a smile. I open my heart to gratitude. I notice what's going right, not just what's going wrong. I carry a spirit of thankfulness in everything I do. I am loved. I am enough. I am powerful beyond measure. I am growing in wisdom. I am aligned with my purpose. Every challenge I face today will teach me something. Every step I take brings me closer to my dreams. I honor my body, my mind, and my soul. I treat myself with care. I nourish my spirit with hope. Today, I will be present. I will not live in the regret of yesterday or the fear of tomorrow. I will stay in this moment. I will listen deeply, love freely, and live with intention. I will share kindness wherever I go. I will be a source of light, not only for myself but for those around me. I am not alone. I am connected to something greater than myself. I am part of a divine plan. I trust that everything is unfolding just as it should. I rest in that knowing. I smile in that truth. This is my day. This is my moment. I am ready. Every new morning is a silent promise from the universe that you have another chance to try, to learn, to grow, and to become. No matter how difficult yesterday was, today is untouched. It is waiting for you to shape it with your thoughts, your choices, and your energy. Let this truth sink into your heart. You are not behind in life. You are not late. You are not broken. You are simply on your journey, one beautiful day at a time. Sometimes we wake up with heavy thoughts, with memories of failure, or with the noise of self-doubt. But you are not your thoughts. You are not the storm in your mind. You are the calm observer behind them. You have the power to shift your energy. You can breathe out fear and breathe in faith. You can pause and choose peace. This morning, take control of your inner world. Let it be your sanctuary. Let your soul speak louder than the world around you. You are here for a reason. Your life, your presence, your voice. It all matters. You might think no one notices your efforts, your silent struggles, your late nights or early mornings. But the universe sees it. God sees it. And more importantly, your growth is never wasted. Every seed you plant in faith, every small action done with love, it's building something beautiful within you. Don't stop. Keep going. Keep trusting. Let go of comparing yourself with others. Their pace is not your pace. Their road is not your road. You are growing roots in silence, and one day, those roots will support something magnificent. Every sunrise brings new strength, and today you have everything you need within you to make it meaningful. You don't need to chase greatness today. Just move with purpose, with love, and with faith. That's more than enough. This morning, speak kindly to yourself. Say, I am proud of how far I've come. Say, even if no one claps for me, I will celebrate my little wins. Say, I deserve peace. I deserve love. Because you do. The world may not always recognize your light, but that does not make it any dimmer. You were born with light. It lives in your smile, in your heart, in the way you rise even when you're tired. Whatever burden you're carrying, you don't have to hold it alone. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and imagine placing it in God's hands. Imagine a light surrounding you, soft, safe, and strong. This is your covering. This is your blessing. You are protected. You are guided. You are never walking alone. Even when the path is unclear, even when the road is rough, there is a divine presence walking with you. Maybe you've been waiting for a sign, a breakthrough, a moment that tells you everything will be okay. Let this be that moment. Let these words remind you that you are not forgotten. You are not invisible. Your time is coming. Keep doing the work. Keep nurturing your dreams. Keep believing in miracles, because they are real, and they happen when hearts stay open and faithful. Be gentle with yourself today. If you feel tired, rest. If you feel anxious, breathe. If you feel discouraged, speak truth into your spirit. Say, this too shall pass. Say, Better days are ahead, because they are. Every season changes, every storm ends, and after every long night, the morning always comes. You have a gift inside you. It might be your words, your creativity, your kindness, your resilience. Whatever it is, don't hide it. Use it. Share it. Let the world feel your presence. You don't have to be loud to be powerful. You don't have to be famous to make a difference. Just be true. Be sincere. Be present. Today, may peace follow your steps. May your heart feel light. May your mind stay clear. May your hands do meaningful work. And may you end this day feeling proud. Not because it was perfect, but because you lived it with purpose. Let your mornings be your foundation. Let them remind you of who you are and what you carry. The day will bring challenges, yes, but you are not made to break. You are made to bend and rise again. Keep your spirit open, your heart clean, and your eyes hopeful. The world needs more people like you. People who rise, who believe, and who spread light. And as you move forward with your day, remember this: you are deeply loved. You are wonderfully made. And today is going to be a day of quiet blessings, beautiful surprises, and deep inner peace. As this hour of morning reflection comes to an end, take a deep breath and feel the calmness that now rests in your soul. You've taken a powerful step today by choosing peace, by choosing intention, and by choosing to begin your day with light. Carry this feeling with you. Let it guide your actions, your thoughts, and your energy throughout the day. Whatever comes your way, remember, your heart is stronger, your spirit is wiser, and you are never alone. You are deeply blessed. You are fully capable, and you are beautifully becoming everything you are meant to be. Even when the world gets noisy, come back to this stillness. Come back to this space. You can always return here, to your breath, your soul, and your center. And if this morning blessing brought even a little peace to your heart, we invite you to come back every day. Let these words be your daily anchor, your reminder of strength, your quiet friend in a busy world. Hey, loving listeners, this is Mind-Blowing Motive, your home for peaceful mornings, powerful motivation, and soul-touching inspiration. If today's message touched you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a moment of calm. Let's grow together, day by day, step by step. Until we meet again. Take care of your mind. Protect your peace. And keep believing in the beauty of your journey. Have a blessed day ahead.